Okay, see this flashing light right here that's telling everyone in the world that I'm recording? Yeah, that's a bit annoying because sometimes I'm trying to record videos and the whole point of the video is to get people's authentic reaction to stuff. So if they know that something's recording them, it's not gonna be their authentic reaction. And the whole reason that I feel like I bought these glasses in the first place is gone. So how do you solve this problem? Well, first of all, you need the Meta Ray-Bans to even try to solve this. So the ones that I have are the Wayfarer matte black transition lenses that are normal glasses inside and then sunglasses outside. And if you want the ones that I have or any variant of it, the link to the Ray-Ban Meta glasses will be in the description of this video. But how do you actually block this light from showing? Well, let's stop recording so I can show you how to do this. You might think if I just get a little piece of black tape and I just put it over this white light like this, now I should be able to just click the record button and I'll be good, right? Wrong. When you try to do that, the glasses will say this.
The capture LED is blocked. Unblock the front of the glasses to use the camera.
So it knows that you're trying to block the camera. The reason it knows this is because the camera is actually right here, which captures light, and there's also a capture right here that captures light. And so if it captures light from one but not the other, it knows, okay, you're trying to block the light that's indicating to people that this is on, and then doesn't let you record. So the only thing you have to do to trick it is to just block this side, then press record, and now it's recording. Once again, I'll have my editor put this on screen while I'm recording. And now I'm recording, and obviously it's blocked and you can't see the light because of that little bit of black tape. Is that a little bit annoying because you have to block it every time you start the camera? Yes, but this is the best known workaround right now. And obviously the reason that it works is because when the Ray-Bans see, okay, there's no light being detected from this one or this one, it no longer uses the reasoning that, oh, he's trying to deceive us by blocking the capture. It reasons that, okay, if they're both dark, he must just be in a dark room, so it's fine to let him record. Then you just take it off and now you're recording without this white light on. Now, I understand this is a very controversial video because people are gonna say, wait, you're not allowed to record me without my consent. And the truth is that's actually false in a lot of states. A lot of states are one-party consent states where you're allowed to record someone without their permission. Now, here's where I think it gets a little bit tricky ethically is because in the past, every single other way that you could use to record the other person would know that they're being recorded. So if I went up like this, yeah, sure, it's a one-party consent state, but I know that someone's holding the phone up to my face and that they're recording me. But with this way, you can record people completely discreetly, not only without their consent, but also without their knowledge. And I think that's what makes the big difference here. So if you're gonna do this, I would really recommend to try to do it ethically. Again, the only reason that I would do this is to get people's authentic reactions. And then in general, I still would ask for their consent after I recorded them before I publicize this. In some cases, if I was recording something that's generally just public, I might not ask for their consent, especially if it's a one-party consent state in the United States. But yeah, that's exactly how you block the white light on these while you're recording. I hope to spark a lot of controversy in the comments and see what you guys think. Once again, if this cleared up your concerns about the Meta Ray-Bans, I will leave the first link to them in the description so you can go and just get them. And now you know you can record without this white light blinking in everyone's face. With that being said, thank you guys all so much for watching the video. I'll catch you on the next one, and peace.